Your first task as a CareerPath participant is to add an online profile. An effective online profile is a key job search tool and is used across many sites, such as LinkedIn. To make a profile, come up to the arrow at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click Profile. Now you can see there's no picture and really no information about yourself. Click Edit Profile. The first bit of information you see has been added by the office. Do check your email address to make sure it's correct and make any changes if there's a mistake in email address. Next, come down to the description box and type your profile. One approach is to prepare something on a Microsoft Word document and then cut it and paste it into the description box. I've prepared one here, so I will just cut and paste into the description box. Do end your profile with your goals for joining the program. Next, add a picture. You want to add a friendly and professional headshot picture to your course. You can just choose the file here and upload your picture that you've saved from your computer. The final step is to click Update Profile to save the changes to your profile. Now, it's a good idea to read the profiles of the other participants in the course. So go back to your course, and under the Participants tab, you will be able to see the other participants and of the course and read their profiles. So now you have added your profile to your CareerPath online course.